So you can imagine the beneficial impact that leaf mold has on your soil. In fact, this is the stuff that forest soil is made from. Years, centuries of trees dropping leaves, decomposing on the forest floor, turning into humus, feeding the soil biology. It would follow that the biology in that soil is extremely robust. And that's where Jadon microbial solution comes in. When we borrow some of the soil found underneath the leaf litter in the forest, we're capturing some of the best microorganisms available to our unique climate. And we can use that in and of itself as an inoculant for our compost pile, but I like to use this soil as an inoculum for a tea, similar to worm casting tea, except Jadon microbial solution. If you made this before, you know it doesn't use a bubbler. The microorganisms keep themselves aerated. We feed them potato or cooked grains instead of molasses, and we add a pinch of sea salt, and then once the bubbles have fully formed the disc on the surface of the water, we can use it. And typically I use this to water into my soil or on my plants, but if we're making an inoculating compost, we can also just pour this stuff on our cooled down compost pile and get it saturated with the beneficial forest microbes. And so now we've got an easy inoculating compost. Thing is here is that we want to make sure that the pile is decreased in temp before adding the microbial solution so that we don't kill off the beneficial biology, because these microbes fall into the mesophilic category as opposed to the thermophilic. They prefer and really need mild temperatures that cap out at 120 degrees Fahrenheit and get killed off much past that.